Hi there again. Welcome to our tongue twister challenge. So for this video, we're gonna have tongue twisters for the sound of R and L. First tongue twister, let's read it slowly first. I really like rolling down the hill. Your turn. Hi there again. Welcome back to our tongue twister challenge. So for this video, let's have the tongue twisters for the sound of R and L. Our first tongue twister is this one. Please repeat after me. I really. Hi there again. Welcome back to our tongue twister challenge. And for this video, let's have the tongue twisters for the sound of R and L. Let's practice tongue twister number 1. Repeat after me. Let's read it first slowly. I really like rolling down the hill. Let's read it faster 3 times. I really like rolling down the hill. I really like rolling down the hill. I really like rolling down the hill. Your turn. That's great. Okay, so right now let's go to the second tongue twister. Repeat after me first again. Reading alone allows you to really relax. This time, let's read it faster 3 times. Reading alone allows you to really relax. Reading alone allows you to really relax. Reading alone allows you to really relax. Your turn. Good job. Next one, tongue twister number 3. Let's read it again. First, slowly. A lamp of red lead. A red lead lamp. And let's read it faster 3 times. A lamp of red lead, a red lead lamp. A lamp of red lead, a red lead lamp. A lamp of red lead, a red lead lamp. Your turn. That's good. Okay, so right now, let's go to tongue twister number 4. Repeat after me first again. Red lorries run alongside the left alongside. Let's read it faster 3 times again. Red lorries run alongside the left alongside. Red lorries run alongside the left alongside. Red lorries run alongside the left alongside. Your turn. Good job! So right now, let's go to our last tongue twister. Tongue twister number 5. Repeat after me first again. Do you really want to rely on ruling the left? Let's have it 3 times faster. Do you really want to rely on ruling the left? Do you really want to rely on ruling the left? Do you really want to rely on ruling the left? Your turn. That's great. So we are finished now. Thank you so much for having the challenge with me. See you next time.